If you're a podcast editor or somebody who edits multiple cameras clip from the same shoot, there's one feature on Capcut that might be very, very useful to you. It will make your work faster and easier. Now, let me show you. So if you come on Capcut here, now I have this clip here that is more like I'm just using for test. Now, if I duplicate these clips, now, or in your own case, you may have multiple clips that you want to use, but because I'm using one of these clips, I'm just going to duplicate it to give me multiple angles. So I'm going to Control C, let me Control V, copy multiple clips of it. Now these two clips, I'm going to change them to different angles. So this first one, I'm going to make it a wide angle. Let me zoom in, or let me change my distance so that I could, okay, let me change it back to the default distance. So yeah, I'm going to zoom this in to have one angle like this. Let me hide this so I can see this. Now this second one, I'm going to change it right here to another angle. Now I'm going to assume these are the multiple clips I have, and then this last one is the main angle I want. Or let me just duplicate one more distance to have one more angle. Now let me hide this first two, hide this, and zoom this in. Now if you have multiple clips, you can just use that for this trick. So now I have these four angles that I want to edit with. Now all of them having the same audio. All right, so what I'm going to do in Capcut here is I'm going to select everything. All right, you can see all of them are selected. Right click on it, and I'm going to come and click on this create multi-camera clip. Now what this is going to do is very, very fun. Now let's just see it together. Now, so if I do this, I'll click on create, and let's watch it make magic. So now it is done. Now see what happens. Now it has given me 4 different angles of the same this thing that I can work with. So now if I am editing, I can simply just play this and select which angle I want it to be at the moment. So at the beginning, I can even start is at this angle. So let me play it, and as it's moving forward, I could want to, let me zoom this so you can see the effect is as it's happening. So I may want to choose this angle. You can see it's cut at this point and it switches to that angle. Now at this point again, I want to switch to this angle. It's cut at the point and switch to that angle. Now at this point again, I want to show this angle. It switch to this angle and it's cut. I can keep doing this while listening to it to get all the angles I want for my listening without having to manually do it, and this will save me tons and tons and tons of minutes and hours in editing. So if you are a podcast editor, would you be willing to try it? And if you have tried it before, tell me, how do you see it?